Check out this handy portable air compressor from Chicago Air. This compressor can be powered completely cordlessly with a Makita LXT 18-volt battery, but it also comes with a 12-volt adapter that goes in the same slot, so you can power it off your car battery as well. It's also got a power cable tucked in on the side there, so you can power it off a standard wall outlet. You just need to select DC for the battery input or AC for wall input above the backlit display. Now the compressor motor has 2 speeds, and like all the Chicago Hush range, it's very quiet. Now it's in fast mode now, which is as loud as it gets, and I can still talk over it just fine, but it's also got quiet mode, which makes it even quieter. Really simple controls, you just dial in the desired pressure with the up and down arrows. It shows the actual pressure underneath it. It's got a max pressure of 130 PSI, and it'll fill that 5-litre tank from empty in 95 seconds with an 18-volt LXT Makita battery. And in terms of air delivery, 65 litres per minute at 6 bar with a CFM of 2.5. I love the way it all packs away so neatly, nice comfortable carry handle up on top, rubber feet on the bottom so you don't damage anything but also minimises vibration. It's ideal for mobile joinery and upholstery where you need to get in and out and you don't have power. And if you do need something bigger, check out the entire Chicago Hush compressor range at your local Sydney Tools store. Go to sydneytools.com.au for more information on this unit or any of the Hush range. If you've got any questions, hit me up in that comment section down below. And until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.